showing about typecasting, but I was only showing the one method. Here I'm going to explain another method. Now let's look at that. So first I'm including the standard input output, include stdio.h, and the function that is integer main void and a curly bracket, and here return 0. Okay, now first we are going to introduce two variables, integer type of variables, integer value 1. Let's put that one as a 5, and then integer value 2. Let's put this one as 2, and we want to answer in the float. And we have seen that if the answer is in integer, it's not going to work because it's going to eliminate the decimal points, so we don't want that to happen. That's why we are using the float as the answer, and for the answer we give the equation that is value 1 divided by value 2. Okay, and to print out the answer we put a printf statement. In this statement we mention that the answer is percentage 0.2f, 0.2 for the how many decimal point you want the answer. If I want 2 decimal points, then I put a 0.2 right here, and then backslash n for the new line. And we want to print out the answer value, so we have to mention the answer right here. Okay, now let's go and run this one and see what happens. I'm seeing an error. Include st. Okay, there shouldn't be an I here. Let's run this. Okay, I had to put a semicolon right here. Let's run this now. Okay, now I'm getting the answer is 2.00. It's because I still didn't do the typecasting. In my last video I have shown that one way to typecast is, if you want the answer in float, what you can do is you can just put a instead of dividing like this, you can directly divide by a number, a float number, and that's going to give you the answer. That's one way to do the typecasting. The another way is, if you have two integer variables, what you have to do is you have to put the float in the after the equal sign. So here, if I put the float right here, that's the typecasting. Now if I build and run, that's going to give you exact same results. That mistake I made in the last video, I was putting right here, but it should be after the equal sign. And that's basically it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.